Welcome to this tutorial on using the WordPress import tool. In this guide you will learn how to easily import content into your WordPress website. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. When the homepage loads, focus on the upper right corner where you will see an option to log in. Clicking on the login button is the first step toward accessing the tools necessary for importing your content. Once you click the login option, a variety of sign-in methods will be presented. For this tutorial, select the option that says Continue with Google. Using your Google account can simplify the sign-in process, and it helps ensure that your login is both secure and efficient. After you choose to continue with Google, you will be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use. Make sure to choose the account that is linked to your WordPress site or that you intend to use with WordPress. After you have successfully logged in, your next focus should be to locate the Tools section. You will typically find this section in the main dashboard navigation area, although its position may vary slightly depending on the theme or customizations in your WordPress interface. Once you have found the Tools menu, click on it to proceed. The Tools section contains several important utilities that help with site management, including the import tool you will be using. Within the Tools area, look for the Import option. Clicking on Import will guide you to a screen that presents various importing methods tailored to different content sources. This step is essential as it sets the stage for specifying which type of content you wish to bring into your WordPress site. Focus on the option that specifically relates to WordPress and click on it. This action confirms that you want to work with WordPress files and content. After selecting WordPress, you will be asked to choose what exactly you want to import. At this stage, the available options are typically explained briefly on screen. To streamline your migration process and to transfer only the content without additional settings or design elements, select the option labeled Import Content Only. Opting for content import without extras makes it easier to manage post-import modifications manually if necessary. The final step in this process is to upload the file that contains your WordPress content. Look for a button or link that allows you to browse for a file on your computer. When this option is available, click it to open a File Explorer window. Navigate to the location on your computer where your export file is stored and select it. Once your file has been chosen, the import process will begin. Depending on the size of your content file, it may take a few moments or longer for the upload and processing to complete. Patience is important during this step as the tool works on transferring your content to your website. By following these instructions, from visiting WordPress and logging in with your Google account, to finding the Tools section, selecting the proper import options, and finally uploading your file, you have successfully imported your content into your site. This organized and straightforward approach makes it easier to manage your site's content migration and keeps you on track throughout the process. Enjoy building and managing your WordPress website with your newly imported content.